In warm climates or during summer months, air-conditioned units can produce large amounts of condensation water during normal operation. If drainage fails, water can overflow and damage ceilings and walls. With the easy installation of the CLA Leak Detector and its sensor tape, mounted for example in a drip tray, overflow water can be detected early. If the sensor tape detects water, the CLA Leak Detector can halt the AC unit and optionally trigger an audible alarm via the two built-in relays, minimizing the risk of water damage while maintenance can be called upon. The versatile CLA Leak Detector and sensor tape can also protect larger facilities with sensitive equipment like server halls, archives, or electrical systems from the risk of water damage. The sensor tape, easily installed with glue, for example under the raised floors in a data center, helps detect cooling pipe failure and water leakage, and multiple sensor tapes can be connected together to form a loop of up to 100 meters, covering large areas. Connected to warning lights and the building's BMS system, the CLA Leak Detector acts as an early warning system, informing personnel about leaks and preventing costly water damage to structures and equipment. Learn more about the CLA Leak Detector at Calectro.com or contact your local distributor.